Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can add shift lock on your Roblox. So first, just open up your Roblox Studio and you have to make sure that you see here the Explorer at the right side. So if you don't see it, just go ahead and tap on the view at the very top menu and then just tap on the Explorer from the very left side. So if you click on that one, you will be able to see the Explorer at the right side. So once you have enabled it, go ahead and tap on the starter player. And this will pop up right here, which is the properties. But if you don't see the properties, go ahead and tap on the view at the very bottom, just like before. And then at the very side of the Explorer, you will see the properties. So if you click on that one, it will show just right here. So once you're in here, just scroll all the way down until you see here the controls. So under the controls, you will see here the enable mouse lock option. So there is a tick box right here. Just go ahead and click on that one to enable it. So that's pretty much it. It's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!